Hey guys, this is mjavedva with another tutorial whether how you can change or update your Medium email address. Well, Medium is a versatile online publishing platform that empowers individuals to share their thoughts, stories, and expertise with a global audience. And sometimes, while using the Medium platform, one would want to change or update his email address for some personal or professional reasons. Anyhow, whatever the reason may be, to change or update your Medium email address, click on your profile icon and select Settings. Here, just click on your current email and add your new email address. And then click on Save. It will not only save your current email address, but also send you a confirmation email to your new email address to verify it. It will also inform you about this change while sending you an email to your previous email account. So go to your new email address and click on Confirm Changes to verify your new email address. And here you can see that your email address has been changed or updated. And from now onward, you will be able to access your Medium account with your new or updated email address. And this is how you can change or update your Medium email address. And if you have stayed this far, please consider supporting by liking, subscribing, and sharing your thoughts in the comment section. And I hope this will be helpful for someone out there. And thanks for watching.